Let's start with decimal fraction in words. How to write decimal fraction in words? Now 0.9. This is my number. So how we read the same pattern, we are going to write the number. This number 0.9. Come to the second one. 0.083. So how we are going to read the number? Same 0.083. So after decimal point, children, you have to read each and every digit. You can't read 0.83. No, 0.083. Now here whole number are 0, that is the reason we are taking. Suppose whole number will be 27.075. So how we will write? 27. This is the whole number, so we can read the number combined. 27.075. Fourth one, 9.143. 9 point, the whole number is 9. 9.143. So after decimal point, we have to read each and every digit. We can't combine 9.143. No. 9.143. Once you know the reading, now we are able to start with addition. So let's start with the example. Add the following decimal fractions. Now students, today we are going to add for the decimal fractions. This is my sum, 1.892 and 53.2. Now before we are going to start this sum, understand, before the decimal point, these numbers are called whole number. Whole number. And after the decimal point, the number it is there, we say decimal number, decimal fraction number. Now we have to start 1.892. Now 53. This is a whole number, you have to write below the whole number itself. So this is my ones place, whole number, and this is my tens place. Point 2. Okay, after decimal point, this is my 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place. Before the decimal point, it is a whole number. After the decimal point, it is a decimal number. Now understand here there is no number, so we can write 0 here. So it will be very easy for us to understand. Plus sign. 2 plus 0, 2. 9 plus 0, 9. 8 plus 2, 8, 9, 10. 0, 1 carry. Decimal point. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. So what is our answer? Answer equal to 55.092. Now we are moving for the next questions. Here the numbers are given to you, 12.429. After the decimal point, we have to read each and every digit. We can't read 429. No. 12.429. 38.987. 257.09. Now these three numbers we are writing here. It is 12.429. 38, ones below ones, tens below tens. This is 10th place, 100th place and 1000. Ones below ones. 10th place, 102. Now we have to add. Now where the number has not given, so we are able to add 0. Because after decimal point, after digit, if you add 0, the value is not going to change. And before the number, if you are going to add 0, again the value is not going to be changed. 9 plus 7, now we have to add. 9 plus 7, 16. 6, 1, carry you. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 1, 20. 0, 2, carry you. 9 plus 2, 10, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 5, 1, carry you. Decimal below we will put decimal. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. 8, 1, carry you. 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1, carry you. 2 plus 1, 3. So what is our answer? 308.506. Leave one line. Right answer 308.506. This is our answer. Thank you.